and welcome to my channel, Donna Loops. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this super squishy stress ball, also called an anxiety ball. So you can use this whenever you feel a little bit stressed, a little bit anxious, and you just need to squish something. And using plushy yarn, it also will be super soft. Let's make the loop of the magic ring and get started. If you don't know how to make the loop of the magic ring, go watch my video on how to make a magic ring. You can find it on my channel. So we now have the loop of the magic ring and we can begin on round number 1. For this round, we're going to work 6 single crochets into the loop of the magic ring. Let's try to close it. There you go. I'm going to close off my magic ring by making a slip knot into the first stitch I made of round number 1. And then I'm going to chain 1. Place a stitch marker or some scrap yarn. I have always used scrap yarn as a stitch marker. For round number 2, we're going to make 1 increase in every single stitch, giving us 12 stitches in total when we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and make my first increase, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm now done with round number 2, and for round number 3 I'm going to go ahead and make 1 single crochet and 1 increase all the way around, giving me 18 stitches when I'm done. So 1 single crochet and then 1 increase here in the next stitch. I now finished round number 3 and I have 18 stitches in total. For round number 4, we're going to make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and 1 increase. Now finish round number 4 and I have 24 stitches. So for round number 5, I'm going to go ahead and make 1 single crochet in every single stitch all around. So I now finished round number 8. For round number 9, we're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease all around. So 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Alright, so I just finished round number 8 and I made all my decreases and I have 18 stitches. For round number 10, we're going to make 2 single crochets and 1 invisible decrease, bringing us down to 12 stitches. Alright, I should now have 12 stitches. Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. I would now say it's time to stuff your little stress ball. For the last round, I'm going to go ahead and make 1 invisible decrease in all the stitches, bringing me down to 6 stitches in total when I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and make 1 invisible decrease in every single stitch. So that would be my first invisible decrease and my second, We're now done with our last round of our stress ball and guide ball, and now we're gonna close the gap right here. So the way I do it is that I'll take the yarn and cut it, fasten off first. So what I'll do is that I go into the front loops of each stitch. So the front loop, if you can see here, this is one stitch, right? So the front loop is the loop that's facing yourself, right? So there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done with that, you're gonna pull all that you can. See? And it's now closed. So I just tie it off with a little knot to feel more secure, but you don't have to do it. I mean, it is secure. Now we're gonna, some people say weave it in or do whatever and sew it in and blah, blah, blah. You know what, girls? Just pull tight.
And congratulations, you're now done with your super squishy Amigurumi stress ball. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials and free patterns. And please comment any requests you might have. I will look at the comments.